Welcome back to my brand new Unreal Engine tutorial. In this video, we are going to create this amazing 3D environment in Unreal Engine.
When robotic world realize the existence of higher power.
If you like this video, please check out my other videos. You can watch this full video here. There are so many videos on Unreal Engine and After Effects tutorial. If you are interested in Unreal Engine, go to the playlist and here you will find so many dedicated videos on Unreal Engine, which are very helpful. Before starting this tutorial, go to Epic Games Marketplace and download Soul Cave and add this to your project. Also download Black Elder and Nordic Coast and add this to your project. Back in Unreal Engine, I have created this simple sky and landscape and applied some landscape or ground material. Go to Megascans in 3D Asset, enable Static Mesh Filter. Now select all the model, then enable nanite. Now drag the stairs model, rotate it, and rotate your mouse to adjust the lighting position. Now to enable backside material, go to the 3D model, double click here and search for two-sided. Then turn this on, then save it. Now duplicate the model and place it. Just create a stage-like structure. Now go to Quixel Bridge and download this floor model. Then click on Add. Now adjust the floor and place it in between the steps. You can use all the transform properties like rotation and position to adjust the floor in between the steps. You can duplicate and fill all the gaps. Now create a new cube and scale it in required axis just to create a stage. Now download this material from Quixel Bridge. And enable water plugin and restart your engine. Then add the lake to the scene. I will create a simple lake in front of the stage. Just drag to change the position. Right click and add point here. Then adjust all 4 points according to your scene. Now import this material. Just drag and drop to apply new material. Now from Sketchfab, download this Ganapati 3D model. Thanks to this creator for creating this model. Download in FBX format. After downloading, extract it and open this folder. Then import this to your Unreal Engine. Now drag the model, increase the scale. Sometimes material will not import. So I will tell you how to create material for FBX model at the last. Now rotate it and place it. Select this material, go to 3D model, then click here to apply. Now I will download the pillars from the bridge, then add it. Then add one more floor here. Now from Soul Caves, drag and drop the stone models. Some of them I am using from the Nordic Coast pack. Now just place all the big stones in proper way to build the whole cave. Make sure all stones model material should be two-sided. Place the models all around the lake. Use scale and rotation to position it on the top of the cave. Make sure you cover all the gaps. And leave some gaps in between so that god rays can enter inside. Take your own time and adjust the position. Now in directional light, adjust the indirect light intensity and volumetric scattering. Now in exponential height fog, adjust the fog scattering distribution, fog density and fog falloff. Make sure you spend lot of time just play around with the values because it is very important, which will turn your scene into reality. For the water, turn on cast shadows and in reflection set this to lumen. Then turn on lumen reflection and adjust the quality. Now adjust the light direction. Keep on adjusting the light direction and the stone gaps until you're satisfied with the scene. Now I will add the pot. In foliage mode, select the grass and enable it. Now select all the grass, scroll down and set minimum and maximum height. Decrease the brush size and density and paint it. Just play around with the size till you have a proper grass and paint the grass all over the surface. Now go to the grass and double click here. Search for wind, then enable all the options. Then save it. Do it for the other material also. Now decrease the wind speed, then save it. Now add a new rectangle light. Increase the radius, width and height. Rotate it and place it. Now change the color to light blue and keep the intensity to very low. Add some of these lights in the right side also. Then change the color to light orange. Now place the pots in 4 corners. Now in soul cave, in particles, use the dust particles and place it here and there. Now add the tree trunk and place it anywhere you want. Now place this pillar. Duplicate the middle part and increase the height of the pillar till it reaches the top of the cave. Duplicate this pillar and place it right side and adjust the position. Now I am using different Roman pillars in the back side. Increase the scale and place it here. Now add some pillar in the sides, increase the scale to a larger value, then place it here. This is all depend on your imagination and concept art. Take your own time for arranging these pillars. Now from the Sketchfab, download the bridge model and import it in Blender. Link is in the description. Go to edit mode and delete this part of the bridge. Now export in FBX format. Then import in Unreal Engine. Now place the bridge in the center. Rotate and scale it down. Now align this bridge properly. Now download this curve bridge and wood material from the Quixel bridge. Now I am changing the bridge material. I have added the new wood material here. Now add this curve bridge and keep on extending the bridge. Now add the lamp and insert a point light. Adjust the radius, intensity and volumetric light. Keep it very low. The fire which I have used from the fire pack is too harsh. You can delete this fire and you can use this fire which is available in the starter content. Increase the scale and position it inside the pot. Now adjust the fog density and fall off. Just play around with the exponential height fog and directional light and skylight settings to make the scene realistic. Now just extend your scene, add the platform to the bridge. Take your own time to create this. I took almost 5 days to create this whole scene. Add some ferns and falling plants from Quixel bridge. Now place the falling plants all around the pillars. The more detailing in the 3D environment, it enhances your scene and it will make realistic. Now select the water and double click on water material. Now adjust the color to make it transparent or mud like water. You can use my settings. Now increase the wave water depth to decrease the waves and make it still. Now import the raft 3D model. Now import all the materials. Double click on the material. Now delete this. Now drag the base color and link it to the base color. Now drag the normal and link it to normal. Do the same for a roughness and specular. Then save it. Now drag and drop the raft and place it. The more detailing in the 3D environment, it enhances your scene and it will make realistic. Create a new level sequence and save it. Search for Cine Camera Actor, drag this to the level sequence. Extend the frames and extend the camera cuts to the both sides. Now set camera to 16:9 DSLR, lens to universal zoom. Make sure to change the perspective to camera. Increase the focal length. Then select the object to focus. You can increase it more to get some cinematic shots. Now I am setting this to 18. Now place the starting frame, press right click on your mouse and press WASD keys to move the scene left, right, top, down. Then add a keyframe on transform. Then drag this keyframe to first frame. Now go to end of the timeline. Then press and hold right click. Then press W key to zoom in. Then add one more keyframe. Make sure these keyframes are set to linear. Go to the graph editor, select the transform, then select all the keyframes, then click here, then save it. This will make all keyframes smooth. Now go to edit, plugins, then enable movie render queue. Then restart your engine. Then click here. In settings, delete the JPEG and add a .exr sequence 16-bit. Add anti-aliasing, set this value to 32. Check this, set it to multi-sample anti-aliasing. Then check this. Add high resolution, then check this. Add camera and set it to frame close. Add console variables. And use this variable. And set this value to 0. Now in output you can find the directory and also video resolution. So once you verify the resolution, just click on accept and click on render local to render. According to your GPU, it will take some time. For more cinematic shots, you can increase the focal length, then adjust your camera position, then decrease the manual focus distance to get good quality depth of field. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel.